Yeah, hi everyone. Hi everyone. Good evening. I think I'm audible to all of you. Just let me know in the chat, guys, if I'm audible. Yeah, hi everyone. Hi everyone. Good evening. Okay, so yesterday I was not able to conduct the session because yesterday I had one webinar. I think you already know I shared this particular webinar post over my LinkedIn profile. So if you're not sure, guys, we have created one amazing section inside our Euron platform. Let me show you guys. If you go to the Euron.1, so left hand side, you will see one section called webinar. Okay. So we have created this option for you. Okay. Why? Because see what happens, there are like so many new technologies are coming, right? Even there are like very new concepts are coming. So that's why we decided to discuss these are the technology, these are the, let's say, topic. Okay. And sometimes by conducting these kinds of webinar we can connect with different people, right? So that's why we have created this particular functionality. And if you go to the webinar section, you will see one like course kinds of dashboard like Bappi's Connect to Learn. That means if you want to connect me, okay, in live, okay, if you want to connect me in live, so you can come here. And this is completely free, guys. If you just click here, you will see that it will ask you to do the free enrollment. Okay, if you're doing it for the first time, it will ask you to the free enrollment. But if you already have the Euron Plus access, so you don't need to do it. But if you're coming for the first time, just try to do the free enrollment. After that, you will see that content. Okay, content means whatever, let's say, topic I'm going to conduct for this webinar. So yesterday I conducted this webinar, latest generative AI revolution with Langchain and LLM ops. Okay, so this was the webinar I took yesterday. Okay, now you just click here. Okay, go to the courses. Now here you will see the entire dashboard. Okay, you can see this is the entire dashboard. That means whatever upcoming webinar are coming and all, everything you will able to see here. Okay, apart from that, I think yesterday one I completed. Okay, this video is also available. So just try to click here. You'll see that this video will get played. Let me show you. See, this video will get played. Okay, apart from that, whatever resources I shared in the, let's say, webinar, everything would be available in the resources tab. Okay, so what happens actually over the YouTube channel, let's say if I'm sharing any let's say resources, so I can only share the links. But let's say if I'm sharing any zip file, if I'm sharing any PDF file or any kinds of file, I'm not able to upload inside YouTube channel. Okay, now we have created this system in a such a way, so if you're joining from here, okay, whatever live resources I'm going to share, okay, I can share in a zip file, I can share in a PDF file, I can share any kinds of file format, and all the resources would be available, okay, inside your dashboard only. That means you don't need to download it even. Okay, so just try to, follow the webinar, try to join the webinar, try to enjoy, and whatever resources I'm going to share, everything would be available in the resources tab. Okay, after completing it, even the video will also save here. Okay, so this is one amazing features actually we have created. And apart from that, if you want to, let's say, do the real-time chat operation with me, you can also do. So here you will be getting one live chat option, so there you can perform the chat operation with me. Okay, so this is far better than the YouTube live actually I'm taking. Okay, so if you're interested, guys, because next time I'm going to conduct some of the live session, so through this particular portal, so here you can connect. Okay, and whatever webinar actually I'm going to take, so everything I'm going to take from the Euron platform only. So please try to check this feature, guys. So if you are joining for the first time, and if you're seeing it for the first time, try to click on the webinar, try to click on Bappi's Connect and Learn, and try to do the free enrollment here. Okay, and wait for the next webinar I'll be taking. Okay, and whatever webinar actually I'm going to take, I'm going to post it over my YouTube channel, even over my LinkedIn profile. So if you haven't connected through my LinkedIn profile, guys, you can connect me here. Okay, so this is my LinkedIn profile. Simply you can follow me, you can connect me. That means whatever post I'm going to make, okay, everything will able to see that. So don't miss any opportunity, guys, because so many things I have planned for you. So many things will be actually conducting over the Euron platform. So please try to stay updated with me or with our Euron, okay, so that each and every notification you will be getting. Got it, guys? Let me know. This webinar part is clear. What is webinar? Because many people were asking these questions, sir, what is webinar on the Euron platform? This is the webinar, okay? So here all the webinar would be completely free, okay? Completely free. And you can also share it with your friends and family, okay? So that they can also get to know this kinds of webinar is also happening on the Euron platform. It is completely free. And trust me, guys, this will, give you more knowledge, okay? Because inside webinar, we'll try to design a session in such a way. We'll try to discuss the theory as well as the practical, okay? That means the complete package you'll be getting inside the webinar, okay? That means we'll conduct the dedicated detailed session, okay, inside that. With any kinds of technology, whether it's a data science, big data, whether it's a generative AI, ML ops, okay, machine learning, anything, we'll try to conduct here. Got it? So not only me, apart from that, there would be so many webinar, okay, conducted by different mentor, like Sudhanshu sir is there. Then we have actually different mentor, okay, in our Euron platform. They will be also conducting. So whether it's a Hindi, whether it's a English, okay, everything would be available inside the webinar, this particular section. So as of now, we are just creating the system, and this was the first actually demo. And yesterday I conducted the session, but experience was good, okay. Fine. So yes, guys, this is what I just wanted to let you know. Now let's start with our today's agenda called roadmap for becoming data scientist, because this was the request from many of my audience, like, sir, I want to see the proper roadmap for the data science. Let's see, if I want to be a data scientist, what are the things we have to learn, what are the path we have to follow, okay? And also try to give me some resources as well. So today I'm going to discuss the complete roadmap for becoming data scientist, because in 2024 so many things has been changed, okay? So based on that, I have created the entire, let's say, roadmap, and you can see this roadmap is available on the Euron platform. If you go to the book section, okay, you will be able to see this particular roadmap. If you click on the book, okay, so here you can see a roadmap for data science Euron. So simply click on the start learning, you will be able to see this particular PDF. Okay. Just a minute. Okay, fine. So let's start with our session. That means the roadmap discussion. So I believe that, guys, you are interested in data science, all of you. If you are starting from beginning and all, so maybe you are interested in data science, okay, if you're following my channel. So because in the channel only I'm creating data science related content. Fine. Okay, now you'll see that, guys, the roadmap I have prepared. So I have prepared in actually some of the phase, like phase 1, phase 2, okay, phase 2, phase 3, phase 4, okay, and these are some optional actually phase I have created, okay. Now in the phase 1, first of all, we'll try to learn the foundation. Then phase 2, core skill. Phase 3, real world project implementation and portfolio. And phase 4 will be talking about resume, networking and job application. And there are some optional phase also. Let's say if you want to apply for the jobs, like how we can apply, and the estimated actually time commitment, okay, like there are so many questions from the people side, sir, how long actually it can take to complete all the topics inside data science. That means in how many months actually we can be a data scientist, okay. So estimated time commitment depends upon your, let's say, learning capacity. Let's say if you are a good learner, so definitely in 5 to 6 months you can learn the entire data science. It is possible. Let's say if you are a slow learner, that time sometimes it takes 1 year, okay, 1 year to complete, okay. Depends upon your learning, depends upon your, let's say, time dedication and all. Let's say how much time you are giving, okay, per day, depends upon that. Got it. But what I saw, like from the average time duration, if anyone is spending around 2 to 3 hours per day, okay, it will take 5 to 6 months to complete the entire data science concept, okay. That means you can be a data scientist in 5 to 6 months only. But again, it's not like for all. So some of the people, let's say if they're dedicating the time, if they're let's say learning good, that time it is possible. But in some cases, some of the people can take more than that only. Okay, so let's try to remember. So here time is not a matter, only you just need to focus on the learning part. Okay, whether you are able to learn or not, unless and until you are not sure about any kinds of topic, okay, don't try to skip that one. First of all, try to master this topic, then try to move to the another topic. Okay, that would be my suggestion, guys. If it is taking time, it's completely fine. Okay, if you're spending some time, that means you are learning good, you are learning that particular topic in detail, so that in future you won't be getting any kinds of difficulty. Okay, so don't try to skip anything. If it is taking some time, it's completely fine. Okay, no need to worry. Now you can see, guys, in the foundation part, so the first things we'll be learning what we'll be learning about the introduction to data science and Python. Okay, because what I feel like, before learning the Python, first of all we have to get the introduction to the data science. Because what happens, let's say I have came here to learn the data science, but if I'm not sure about the data science, like inside data science, what are the application we can build, what are the, let's say, project we can build, what are the, let's say, work we can do, if I'm not interested about, then it won't be giving the motivation to learn the entire data science. So first of all, try to understand the data science, what exactly the data science is. Inside data science, what are the, let's say, project, what are the, let's say, opportunity you have. First of all, try to learn, then start with the Python programming, because Python is required. Okay, so with the help of Python only, you will be developing the projects and will be working, okay, in the industry. Now Python wise, guys, you can see the complete Python you can learn basics to advanced till OP programming. Then apart from that, there are some concept like NumPy, pandas. Okay, then some like life cycle of the data science. Okay, so these are the thing you can learn. Okay, these are the actually tools you need exactly. Okay, and apart from Python, it's not like that you have learned the Python, it's completely fine. So after completing the Python, there are some tool you have to learn, whether it's a, let's say, NumPy, pandas, some visualization tool is also there like Matplotlib, Seaborn. Okay, so this will help you a lot whenever you will be starting with the exported data analysis, or let's say EDA part. Okay, so that time actually it will help you a lot. So here I have mentioned, guys, you can see NumPy, pandas. Okay, basics, these are the thing you have to learn. Inside Python, you have variable, data types, conditional statement, loop, function, okay, and so on. Got it? And again, guys, I think you know we have the complete Python course in our platform. Let me show you. So it's a completely free course. So if you click on the free courses, okay, so here you will see different courses are there. Let's say if you want to learn the Python in English, so this course actually you can follow. If you want to learn in Hindi, you can follow this particular course. Okay, so that's how we have the complete Python, okay, complete Python course on our portal. Okay, you can follow. Apart from that, let's see if you want to join any live class of the Python, it is also available. So let me show you. If you go to the courses, click on the live courses, okay, and you can see, guys, Python Mastery is also going to start, okay, in live. So maybe you can join the Hindi batch, maybe you can join the English batch as well. Okay. So will this video be added on the Euron website? Which course I'll be added? Which course it will be added? Which one you are talking about? Will this video be added on the Euron website? Which video you are talking about? This the current video I'm taking, or what? What would be the difference between free courses and paid courses, one which we have taken? See, always paid courses means what? Paid courses means the entire, let's say, detailed course. Okay, detailed course with actually lots of things. Okay, but again, see, whenever I'm providing something in a free or paid mode, I'm giving you in detail. Okay, but what happens in sometimes in paid courses, there are so many things actually we have updated. If you check, okay, and even you will see that if you're joining the live batches, so that time actually will be getting the real time, actually, let's say, teaching experience, okay, from our end. You can also interact with me, okay, which is also not possible inside free courses. Okay. So again, it's your choice. If you are interested in free courses, you can take. If you're interested in paid courses, you can take. Okay, both option you have. And see, paid courses is nothing, I mean, it's not that much of like costly. It's like super affordable if you go to the paid courses. Okay, very affordable courses we have given to you. Yeah. Because see what happens, if we are providing everything as free, so people will not put the value on it. Okay, so sometimes you have to put the value. Okay, so if I'm creating something for you, definitely you have to give me, okay, something in return. That means the value. Okay, and whenever you are giving the value, you will have the, let's say, interest that time. Let's say if you are getting something free, so you won't be having the interest, but if you are paying for that, so definitely you will have the interest. Okay, so I think guys, you are getting my point, yes or no? Let's say you have bought one, let's say, anything, so you will be getting more interest in that particular, let's say, things. But whenever you are getting something free, definitely you will lose the interest. Okay, got it. I have already taken the subscription of Euron. Yes. Great, Comic Kumar. Paid courses is recordable. Yes, recordable courses is also there. Let me show you. If I go to the courses, if you see here, here is the recorded courses. That means recently we have added some of the recorded courses like professional level LLM application development course. So this is completely self-placed recording. All the videos are available. Even we also have the mathematics for the data science, okay, and data analytics. It is also for recording. There will be live batch too. Is it shown in the website? Yes, live batch would be there. Even self-placed course would be also there. Okay, let's say if you don't want to spend that much of amount of time, that time you can go to that recording courses. If you want to join the live batch, that time you can go to the live courses. Okay, and if you want to get all the courses, okay, recording or let's say live, that time you can take the Euron Plus subscription, okay, with 2,999 rupees, okay, per year. That means all the courses, so whether it's a recording, live, okay, anything you can access from the Euron platform 1 year, okay, with a single subscription. Okay, but if you're taking the individual courses, that time you have to purchase individually. Okay, yes. Fine. So here you can see, guys, we have to learn the foundation. That means the introduction to data science and the Python basics and all. Okay, then after that we have to move to the next part, which is nothing but the essential mathematics for the data science, because mathematics is required, guys, at the end whenever you are entering into data science. So there you will be learning something called ML, okay, DL, and for this actually mathematics is super important. So in mathematics you have to learn linear algebra, like vector matrix, then you have calculus, differential calculus, gradient descent. Okay, then you have to also learn the statistics like mean, median, variance, standard deviation, probability, and so on. Okay, so these are the things you have to learn. And again, activities wise, you have to solve different practice problem, learn to calculate the summary statistics using Python. Okay, and you have to also learn how we can visualize different data with the help of Matplotlib and Seaborn. Okay, again, guys, for this we have created one amazing course. Let me show you. Okay, so essential mathematics for data science, because see, people are not sure actually what are the mathematics we should learn. If I am entering into the data science, should I learn all the mathematics? Again, if I'm taking linear algebra, what are the topic we should learn inside linear algebra? Because inside linear algebra there are so many concepts, right, in mathematics, but all the topics are not required. So for this we have created this course, guys. You can see mathematics for data science and data analytics. Okay, that means whatever mathematics are required for the data science, you can see linear algebra. Inside linear algebra, what are the topic you need? Okay, then you have something called function, transformation, okay, elegant vector, then you have statistics, okay, then you have probability, okay, then you also have calculus. Okay, that means whatever things I have mentioned here, okay, everything is mentioned inside this particular course, and all the topics is covered in detail. Okay, and this course is done by Prince Kathir, so he's one of the great mentor, okay, in our Euron platform. Got it? So if you're interested, guys, you can also take this particular course if you want to master the mathematics for the data science. Okay, and again, trust me, guys, this will help you a lot whenever you are entering in the data science. So knowing mathematics would be very beneficial for you, because going forward, whenever we'll be learning ML algorithm, DL algorithm, even generative AI, let's say large language model, this mathematics will help you a lot, okay, to understand the concept in detail. Got it? Fine. Then once you have done with the essential mathematics for the data science, then you will be entering into the data field. That means you will be working with the data wrangling and visualization. Okay, that means you will be learning how we can perform the cleaning operation, merging operation, grouping operation. We'll be learning different visualization technique. Okay, we'll be learning different data cleaning technique like missing value handling, outlier handling, okay, and so on. So these are the things are very important, and we call it as, okay, EDA, exploitative data analysis, and feature engineering. Okay, so these things I mean very important inside data science. Okay, EDA and feature engineering, because with the help of that you will be understanding the data, you'll be transforming the data, you'll be cleaning the data. Okay, and you'll prepare the data for the model training. Okay, because at the end model training is nothing but you are calling one model, okay, from the scikit-learn and all, and you are feeding the data, that's it. But if you want to get a good model, if you want to get a good output, that time these two steps are required, like EDA and feature engineering. Okay, I hope it is clear. Then we'll be learning the core skill inside data science, which is nothing but machine learning. Okay, we'll be starting with our first let's say topic called machine learning. Inside machine learning you have supervised learning, okay, and you have something called unsupervised learning. Okay, now you can see guys, inside machine supervised learning we have linear regression, logistic regression, and so on. So there are so many algorithms, so I haven't mentioned all of them in my PDF because it will take lots of space here. But if you search over Google like how many machine learning algorithm you are having, you will see that there are so many algorithm you have. Okay, but when we start with the supervised learning, we try to learn these two algorithm at the very first, like linear regression and logistic regression. Okay, apart from that we have to learn some evaluation metrics. Let's say you have trained one model, now you have to test that particular model with your test data. That time you have to perform some evaluation technique like cross validation, okay, accuracy, precision, recall. So these are the things we have to also learn. Then we'll be starting with the advanced machine learning. You can see, okay, advanced machine learning. So inside advanced machine learning you have some advanced model like decision trees, random forest, gradient boosting. Okay, then we also have something called hyperparameter tuning and feature engineering. Got it? Again, these are the things you will be learning, okay, and you will be implementing with the help of scikit-learn. Okay, scikit-learn is a machine learning package. So inside scikit-learn all kinds of machine learning functionalities are available. Okay, apart from that you have to also learn some other framework like XGBoost and Light GBM, because you can see the XGBoost now, so gradient boosting, this algorithm is not available inside scikit-learn. Okay, if you want to use this algorithm you have to separately install this particular package called XGBoost. Okay, and XGBoost can also supports the GPU computation. Okay, so these are the things you will be learning whenever you will be learning this machine learning and all. That time you will be learning what is XGBoost and how to install the XGBoost, how we can access the GPU. Okay, everything we'll try to learn here. Got it? Then another very important things guys people usually miss, which is nothing but SQL and database. Okay, because this thing is super important. So see, machine learning is all about playing with the data, and it's not like that always you'll be getting the data in a CSV file format or let's say Excel file format. Okay, it's not like that. So sometimes this data would be available in the databases. Okay, and if you want to get the data from the databases, you have to know the SQL query. Okay, that's why SQL is super important, because if you see all the job description nowadays, okay, in the market, so they have mentioned the SQL. So at least you should know some SQL command, like how to perform the join operation, aggregation operation, subqueries operation. Okay, that means then you have to learn the database design basics, connecting Python with SQL. Okay, so these are the things you have to at least know. Let's say if your manager is telling try to get the data from the, let's say, MySQL database. Okay, that time you will be able to do it, okay, with the help of Python. Or let's say this data is available inside MongoDB. Okay, or let's say Cassandra. So that time you will be able to connect the database, okay, and you can get the data with the help of SQL query. That's why it's super important guys. Okay, don't skip this part, otherwise you'll face the issue for sure. Okay. Then once our machine learning is complete, then we'll start with the deep learning. Okay, that means our advanced data science. And deep learning is guys a very interesting field. Personally I prefer a lot. So here you will be learning something called neural network. Okay, so what is neural network? Neural network, it's nothing but it's a neuron. So it's a just brain architecture. So like we as a human, we also have a brain, right? Inside brain we have different neuron connected, right? So this is the inspired from the human only. Okay, that means biological brain only. So here we try to create the artificial brain. Okay, so this is called actually neural network. Got it? So here you will be learning let's say you will be learning how we can use the unstructured data. Let's see, if you have image data, okay, if you have text data, if you have video data, that time how we can use these are the data with a complex architecture, because the machine learning architecture you have learned, it's a very basics architecture. This is called statistical architecture. Okay, and it can only solve linear problem statement. That means if you have the simple data, that time you will be able to solve. That means structured data it will be able to solve, mostly tabular data. But when it comes to the unstructured data like image, text, videos, that time this kinds of machine learning model will fail. So you have to learn some advanced architecture which is called deep learning or neural network. Okay, so inside that you have actually three kinds of network you have to learn, called artificial neural network, ANN, then CNN, convolutional neural network, and RNN, okay, recurrent neural network. So this is what you will be learning for the neural network foundation. This one you will be learning for the computer vision, and this one you will be learning for the NLP or generative AI. Okay, so CNN we use the image and video data, RNN we use the text data, okay, and audio data. So this is what we'll be learning. Got it? Then once it is done, guys, so you will be starting with the real world project implementation. Okay, because it is very important. So it's not like that you are learning the things and you are not implementing something. Okay, so if you are learning something, definitely you have to implement something. Okay, and how to implement? So there are different projects you have to implement. Even in my YouTube channel also I created different data science project. You can also check it out. You can also follow the Kaggle and UCI repository, okay, to get the project idea. Even you can also see like different GitHubs. Okay, so that's how you can implement the projects. Okay, and whatever project actually you are implementing, try to also mention inside your portfolio. Okay, so that you will be having a good portfolio, okay, at the end after learning these kinds of data science. Okay, then you have to also learn the deployment. Okay, deployment. So to deployment, what are the, let's say, things we have to learn, like APIs, deployment to different cloud services. Okay, so again you have to learn these are the things as well. So that means you have to learn the complete pipeline. So it's not like that you are implementing the project, that's it. The complete pipeline you have to learn. Okay, then after that you can start with something called MLOps, like learning. So MLOps is super important. It's optional. If you are interested learning MLOps, you can learn. Otherwise you can also skip at the very first time. Okay, it's completely fine, but I will suggest, okay, because currently MLOps are required, okay, in a company if you're going for. So again, knowing MLOps will help you a lot. And then it's just a tool. And again, from where you can learn the MLOps, guys, I think you know, in our YouTube channel also we started a community series of MLOps. From there you can start. Even we also have the course of MLOps. Let me show you. If I go to the live courses, so MLOps course is also going to start. Okay, so if you're taking the Euron Plus subscription, that time you can also join the MLOps courses. Otherwise you can also take individually. That means whatever concept you need to master the MLOps, each and everything already there. Okay, then once it is done, you can start with the resume building and networking job application. Okay, so again, for the resume preparation, you can connect me if you're interested. Let's say you want to get the suggestion on top of your resume. If you want to let's say review your resume, that time you can simply connect me over my LinkedIn profile, or let's say if you need my WhatsApp number, you can also ping me there. Definitely I'll try to connect with you. Okay, likewise we can prepare the resume, then we can also build some network. Let's say you are looking for data science related jobs, also try to connect with the individual who is already working in the data science domain. Okay, then start applying the job. Okay, that means nowadays if you see, LinkedIn is also having lots of job opportunities. Okay, simply try to apply. Okay, try to apply. Definitely you will be getting a calls. Okay, and again, if you need career let's say related suggestion, if you need, let's say, job related suggestion, you can connect me. Okay, I'll try to do it. All right, now apply for jobs from different portal, guys. You can see like LinkedIn, then Angel List, Glassdoor. Okay, so these are the things you can refer for applying the jobs. Got it? Great. Now you can ask me whatever, let's say, topic you have mentioned. Okay, whatever topic you have mentioned, can I get it inside of one course? Is it possible? Definitely it is possible. So recently Euron has launched 10 different live courses. Okay, if I go to the live courses, so from here you will be getting one course for full stack data science. Okay, so it will be happening from 14th December 2024, and your mentor would be Sudhanshu sir. Okay, I think you know about Sudhanshu sir. So Sudhanshu sir, again, he is going to start teaching, and this would be the amazing opportunity for you guys. Okay, so you can see the entire curriculum. Okay, the entire curriculum we have mentioned. That means whatever things I have mentioned inside my roadmap. Okay, see, all the things are mentioned here. Okay, whether it's a mathematics for, let's say, data science, machine learning, deep learning, NLP, computer vision. Okay, end-to-end deployment, then project implementation, okay, then career guidance, certification preparation, everything, okay, everything we'll try to cover in this particular batch. Okay, so the complete package, guys, you can see full stack data science mastery. That means if you want to master the data science, you can refer this particular course that time. Again, if you see the price, it's like super affordable. And if you don't want to take the Euron Plus subscription, you can directly start the course. Okay, you don't need to pay for that. And going forward, lots of courses are coming, guys. Okay, it's not like that only data science. If you're interested web development, if you're interested, let's say data structure and algorithm, okay, all the courses would be available inside Euron platform. So now if you have any question, you can let me know, guys. Any question if you want to ask. And please try to check this webinar functionality, okay, from the Euron site. So I think we'll be doing conducting these kinds of webinar a lot, okay, in future. And also try to subscribe to the channel. If you're new to my channel, guys, please try to subscribe and try to support the channel. And whatever courses I showed you guys, this full stack data science and all the link I have mentioned in the description. From there you can check it out. Hindi batch as well as the English batch, okay, both link I have mentioned in the description section. And if you want to get this PDF, so go to the Euron book section. From there you will see this particular PDF, okay, roadmap for data science Euron. So open it up, you will be able to see this particular PDF. And not only that, we have also added some see handwritten notes. So let's say you need Git and GitHub notes, it is available. Then you need, let's say, Linux commands notes, okay, already available. Then interview question available, okay, architecture interview question, okay, then VS Code. See, all kinds of things are available, okay. So yes, guys, this is all from today's session. I just wanted to let you know the entire path for the data science and the topic you should learn, okay, if you're starting with the data science. Now I think you got it. Now you can start learning. And I think next live I'll be continuing with my MLOps series, okay, the MLOps series I started, and I'll try to complete as soon as possible. Fine. Then the next live session, guys, you can let me know on which topic I can start. You need computer vision or you need deep learning, let me know, guys. Because many people were asking for the computer vision, so I was planning to start a computer vision playlist. Let me know, guys. Should I start computer vision or anything else? Okay, computer vision people are talking about. Okay, fine. So next community will be starting, okay, with computer vision. So okay, guys, so thanks for joining. Bye everyone. Take care. Bye. Thank you.